Hey y'all, and welcome to the video, and thank you guys so much for watching, and thank you for joining me again for more Fabfitfun spoilers for the fall box of 2020. So if you guys haven't seen my first video on the fall box, I will have it linked below. We're going over the first items in customization number 1, which if you are not aware, if you are new to Fabfitfun, the subscription box is $50 a month, and if you are a select member, you get to actually choose the items that come in your box from customization number 1 through 5, or if you're seasonal or annual, I forget what it's called, I think it's seasonal. The people that pay every month and not for the full year, you actually get to choose customizations 1 through 3, and I have a video on customizations number 1, which are actually really good, so I'm going to have that linked below for you guys. This video in particular is going to be on customization number 2. There's some good ones here. I'm really excited to get into it and share with you what is the customization items that you could possibly pick from. Well, not possibly, like you're going to be able to pick from these, but you know, they're really good. I cannot wait to show you. So if you guys are loving these spoiler videos for me, because I am your friendly neighborhood spoiler unboxing gal, then please give this video a thumbs up. Also, if you would, hit the subscribe button and subscribe. It would mean so much to me. I have noticed in my analytics that over half of my viewers are not even subscribed, so if you would do me the honor and go ahead and subscribe, it would mean so much to me. And let's go ahead and get into the video. So let me scoot over. So hopefully in this video I'm less awkward than I was in the first video. I apologize. I just have not been in the headspace, and I haven't filmed that much in a few months now. So it's kind of just awkward for me to sit here and speak. So I have like social anxiety, so I feel like I'm talking to people when I'm actually just talking to a camera, but I feel like I'm talking to people. So I start to get like really weird, and I make really weird jokes. So bear with me. I know some of you guys who don't know me did not like the last video. I deleted some comments, so let's keep it nice in this one, okay? Okay, so spoiler number 1. This is the Beyond Yoga Hidden Pocket Infinity scarf backpack. I don't know how it's a backpack, but it's a scarf and it has a zipper. So I think that's actually really cool. I've never seen anything like this, and I'm thinking like, why didn't I think of that and like bank off of that idea? Because I used to put money in like my shoes and stuff. So like, why not have a scarf for the fall, might I add, because you know, fall time, scarves, fashion, okay? Having a zipper here, and you can go shopping. You don't have to carry around a bag. You can just pop it open, put your little key fob in there, put your little debit card in there, go shopping, hands-free. Though you can put it in your pockets, but let's face it, it's winter. You're gonna be in leggings. Uggs are very tight around your feet, so you're not gonna be able to shove stuff in your Uggs. No pockets in your pants, so you're gonna have your zipper pocket on your scarf. Innovative. Whoever invented that, thank you so much. Thank you. I think this is great. This is a great option. It's black. It's gonna go with everything. If you are wearing black, it'll match. If you're wearing white, it'll go great. Pink, blue, green, it doesn't matter. Black matches everything. Freaking amazing spoiler. I'm just saying, good job, Fabfitfun. You're already to a great start. And it's hidden, so you can probably like put things in it that you want to keep hidden. Next up, this is the Dr. Dennis Gross Skincare Alpha Beta Pore Perfecting and Refining Serum. So if you are struggling with pores that are enlarged and saying hello to everybody, see, this is the awkward that I'm talking about, then this would be really good for you. I actually have like way too many serums right now. I've actually sold a ton on my Poshmark, but if you want to get them pores under control, this will be a good pick for you. What does it say? Supports natural cell turnover, so that's really good. I don't know how much this costs, but I'm sure it costs a lot. Let's look it up. Oh, $65. Wait a minute. I've seen this brand at TJ Maxx, haven't I? Have you seen this brand at TJ Maxx? I'm pretty sure I've seen it at TJ Maxx. Pretty sure. But yeah, $65. That pays for the box and then some. Also, the scarf with the pocket, $59.95. Excuse me, who are you thinking you are selling a scarf for 60 bucks? Hello, I can get $5 scarves at Target in the dollar section, the dollar deals. I have so many scarves over here that I paid $10 or less for. They don't have a pocket, but you know, I can put a Ziploc bag in there and tape it in there and you'll never know. Same thing. Anyways, let's move on to the next spoiler, shall we? So this is the Glossmetics Hair Removal Device. Retails for $59.99. Now, this product is the product that I would definitely choose. I need to do more research. Always do your research before picking an item. You might find out you don't like the ingredients or the dimensions or what have you about a product, so look into it. But if this thing actually works really well, I might buy it just so I can easily shave my vagine. Ladies, am I right? Am I right? Legs, 5 seconds. Vagine, 20 minutes. It'll save a lot of water, I'm sure. So this is an item that I'm going to look into. I probably will pick it because I just want easy shave-ins. I wonder if they have an attachment to shave my nose hairs because that would be phenomenal. Anyways, let's move on now that I'm making it very weird. So this is the, and I cannot say this correctly, Soya and Kayo woven scarfigan with fringe. Retails $85. Again, overpriced, absolutely not. I would not pay that ever, but I will be very happy to have that in my box. Now, this is the item that I'm gonna pick if I don't want to get the electric shaver. So this is something I would pick. It's so cute. It's color blocked, it has fringe, it's pink and white, it's super girly, super pretty, and I just want to have a humongous blanket on my body during fall, drinking my pumpkin spice latte, in my leggings, with my Uggs. I'm just saying. This is actually really, really cute though. I think that anybody would love this. Plus, it's one size fits all. It's just a freaking blanket for your body. I actually have one somewhere that my friend Sarah gave me and I haven't worn it yet. I don't know where it is, but I'm excited to wear it. But anyways, I think this is a perfect choice. I think if you choose this, you'll be extremely happy. And yeah. Next. So this is the Volution, if I'm saying that correctly, Beauty Celery Green Cream. Retails for $55. Packaging, super cute. I like the celery. It's a nice celery right there. So what is this supposed to do? It has hyaluronic acid and peptides. So it's just a moisturizer. You get 50 milliliters, which is 1.7 fluid ounces. So it's a nice size jar. So if you are looking for a moisturizer, definitely pick. And yeah, I don't know what celery is supposed to do for your skin, but it's green. It's probably good. Who knows? I don't know. I don't know anything. And then the last spoiler is from Erno Laszlo. Laszlo, right? Pore Cleansing Clay Mask. Retails for $48. I would never spend that much money on a clay mask. I have masks that are like my ride or die, so like I don't need to try any more masks, even though like this one could be my ride or die, but I just have so many, I don't need anymore. So I'm actually really glad that, you know, we get to choose these items for ourselves, because if I got a mask, I'd be like, womp, I don't need another one. So this is something that if you are in the market to get a face mask, definitely pick this one. But like, how would you pick a freaking face mask over the scarf again? Because that is so cute. Anyways, that is it for these spoilers. Again, if you haven't seen customization choice number 1, definitely go check them out. All those items over there are so good that I don't know, you would want them all. Hopefully some of these items will be on the add-on section and not too expensive, because I want to add some of these items to my box. Maybe, I don't know. So far the spoilers are looking like really freaking good that I want to add on. I haven't added on since winter, but I want to add on because I'm just that in love with these items. But only if the price is right. If it's overpriced, absolutely not whatsoever, because your girl's trying to redecorate her house, okay? I spent like $200, a little over $200, just yesterday on some decor for my house. I spent almost $200 today on more. Don't come at me. I haven't spent like any money on makeup, and I bought my house 3 years ago and I haven't decorated it. Anyways, enough about me. Let me know down below what item you would pick and what your backup item would be if they sell out. And yeah, give this video a thumbs up. Do not forget to subscribe. It would mean so much to me. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!